I'm actually out of breath. Look at this package. Look at this package. I don't even know where to start. Like, I'm so excited, literally. I'm actually shook. Like, I'm shook. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you're in for a treat because we're going to be doing some unboxings. This is my first ever unboxing, so I'm so excited. We have some mad amount of products to be unboxing for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned to the end because I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. So for a bit more details on that, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on a lot of these products because I cannot keep all of this to myself. I'm so thankful, but you guys deserve some too, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned to the end. So who really needs a bae when you got SNS hamper to hold you down? Like do I need any more gifts in my in this lifetime? So Valentine's wear. So no, but seriously, stay tuned. Let's do some unboxings and see what we got in this hamper. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Lego. Guys, this is the SNS hamper from Social Network Solutions. So thank you guys so much. I've always wanted to do one of these. Like back in the day, I used to watch these and be like, you know, one day I'm gonna get me some PR and I'm gonna do an unboxing. But I did not think to this scale. Like, look at God, please. Look at him, look at her. I'm just gonna go in and take out, we'll see how we go. So the first thing I see is some hair, honey. Yes, and this is the ponytail from Hair Rehab by Lauren Pope. If you guys watch Towie, like, oh my gosh, like, I'm so excited. This is a fake ponytail, has like a Velcro tie-on. I tried to do this with just a bundle and it was so difficult, so this Velcro is definitely going to help because you can literally just wrap it around a pony. This is so convenient and so cute. Thank you so much. By the way, everything will be listed in the description box, of course, like all the links that you need. Hair Rehab London, thank you so much. Next we have this cute little box. I love this kind of packaging. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. This is from a company called Nanshi. And it comes with a cute packaging like this, and there's some brushes inside. Yes, just what I need. More brushes and also a brush cleaner. I think you probably like swirl the brushes in here when you want to clean them. Okay, these brushes are super cute. I think I'm gonna give these away. I'm gonna give these away because I just got a delivery for new brushes, so this is all yours, baby. So stay tuned. Next up is this nail polish set from a company called Pretty Woman. 6x 10 milliliter nail polishes. Okay, I'm really getting into nail polishes recently. Look at the packaging. I'm obsessed. They're like really nice nude polishes. These are some of the colors. Love, absolutely love. These are definitely my kind of tones. I never go for like bright pink, like neon pink. What's that? I don't know. Like, that's not me. I go for like nudes. So it's like they knew. Pretty Woman, you know me. I think I'm gonna make like a small hamper as well for like maybe 2 or 3 winners. Yeah, and then mix and match like different products in there. I think that could be cute. Next up, don't break the thing, hun. Next is a company called Hysses. So this is a travel gift set and body wash, body and massage oil. Okay, I actually love body washes. You know, at Christmas time when like you get 50,000 packs of body washes, I'm that girl that is actually appreciative of those gifts. You know, some people don't use them like for the whole year and even re-gift them like to Auntie Funke next year. That's not me. Like, I always use my body wash gift sets. You guys want to spoil your girl, then just give me some body washes and body oils and like bath washes. How am I opening this, babes? Like, all of these product packaging are just amazing. Okay, girl. Okay, girl. Let me have a little sniff. The key to a good body wash is smelling bomb. Ooh, this is so nice. This looks expensive. Next is by the same company called Hysses. This is a room spray. I'm actually all into fragrances, so. Oh, this smells really lemony. Oh, it's called lemongrass. Like, this is. Oh, it smells like tea. It smells like ginger and lemon tea. That's what it smells like. And I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Oh, we got some food. We got some food. This is called Chocolate Diamond or Chocolat by Dome Beauty. And best believe I'm gonna have some of this chocolate. Oh, it's not actually food. It's not actually food. Wow, that's really the first thing. It's an eyeshadow. Okay. Oops. It's like a cream eyeshadow called Chocolate. And then we have a beauty blender. a beauty sponge. It's called a Sponge Dry by Basic Beauty Tools. A universal makeup sponge dryer that has been specifically developed to dry and hold your makeup sponge hygienically, preventing the buildup of bacteria and mold. I've got some designer nails, also from that company Pretty Woman. We've got a few of these actually. We've got some black ones, we've got some blue ones, we've got some green ones. So I'm definitely going to give these away. I'm not really into like coloured nails, so stay tuned for that because all I wear is nude. I'm so sorry. This is from Pink Parcel. Like, what? I'm so excited. Inside of here, it's got makeup, nail polish. And they're a subscription service. They deliver bits and bobs to you every month, so I'm gonna go through and see what's inside. Oh, we got a full-size Batiste dry shampoo spray. So when your hair looks greasy AF, then you just spritz this on, and it looks like freshly washed hair. Full hand and body lotion. So honey is not gonna be looking ashy for the longest time. Like for the rest of 2018, I'm not looking ashy. Like there's no way I can look ashy with all of these creams. This hand cream is from Patisserie. It smells divine. We have some Nails Inc nail polishes. This is Rise and Grind, and this is Whitehall. So cute. An MUA Luxe setting powder. This is for baking under your eyes, so I'm excited for that. And maybe put into a tutorial soon. Oh, they gave me some LA Pro concealer. You guys know that I use this like every single tutorial. I use LA Pro Girl concealer. A subscription box. This is amazing because it comes with so many useful things. This is a whole bottle of Batiste, some nail polish, things that you actually want to use. So I definitely recommend Pink Parcel. Also, there's a face mask in here. So my face should be looking extra snatch all 2018 too. I'm not gonna lie. Like, no reason for me to look ashy another day of 2018. So these are magnetic hair ties from Banzi. And they come in a little cute package like this. Non-breakable hair ties, and they don't tangle no matter how complicated your braid or chignon is. So basically they're unbreakable. Okay, I'm gonna try that out and see because my hair ties always be breaking on me. An eyeshadow quad here by Hickory, and the colors look like this. Nude lipstick from Jelly Pong Pong called Hot Air Balloons, and it smells really nice. Cute little bracelet I'll also be giving away because why not? Ooh, this looks good. So this is from Magnetone London, called Wipe Out, the amazing microfiber cleansing cloth that removes makeup with just water. I'm gonna have to try this out because ooh, it's really fluffy. So I'm gonna have to see if this works and let you know, because if that's true, yeah, the makeup game has changed. Because you mean I don't have to be buying makeup wipe, 50,000 makeup wipes a month? We shall see about that, honey. I'm gonna hold you to that, okay? A smoky eyeshadow pencil, and that can be used as eyeshadow also. It's from New Kid Cosmetics. I think I've heard of that before actually. Ooh, next we have from Face the Future, we have hydrating enzyme mask. We have a crystal fiber mask and peel. This provides skin with a moisture boost. Mask contains enzymes, exfoliates dead skin, as well as advanced antioxidant formula including vitamin A, C, and E. Thank you, boos. I'm gonna be trying that out for you guys and letting you know if it, because my skin has been trash recently. Ever since, I think, you know, when you go on planes, like it really dries out your skin. So recently my skin has been trash, so this is well needed. Thank you so much. I'm gonna be letting you guys know if it helps out my skin. Okay, so clearly someone heard my prayers about the whole skin thing, because we have hella masks here. Let me get through some. This is by a company called Blueberry. It's called the Vitality and Moisture Mask. Yeah, it's this like a sheet mask, I think. These two are from a company called Macadamia, and this is the Deep Repair Mask and the Healing Oil Treatment. Another exfoliating and resurface mask in here. Oh, I love little cute things like this. It also has sponges and a face cloth, which, thank you so much. This is from OMS, Oh My Skin, professional skincare therapies at home. And these will make such cute presents, I feel like, for people. So like I said, all the links are in the description box. I love getting presents like this. So inside has an exfoliating resurface mask, which is this guy right here. It has a thermal cloth, which helps, you know, dig into your pores because it's a bit like textured. And it also has a mirror inside, if you can see that. It has like a travel mirror, and it has a magnifying side and a normal side, so you can see into your pores and see if, like, you know, if your skin is dirty and all of that kind of thing, so you can see like the progression of your skin. Okay, we have another item from Dome Beauty here. This is their magnetic lash mascara. This is a brow pomade from a company called Mellow. Oh, the packaging is so cute. This is how big I want my diamond ring to be, sis. My engagement ring better be this big, sis. Like, what do you mean? We have some supplements here from Zenii Vitality. This is 120 capsules of high strength natural marine collagen with vitamin C. These help fight against visible signs of skin aging, helps maintain skin elasticity, helps enhance skin beauty. Okay. And supports normal collagen. This is a sleep while therapy balm from a company called Scentered. Okay, so you apply to pulse points and then you inhale deeply, so I guess like your wrists, maybe like your neck and that kind of thing, maybe your temples. So I'm gonna actually try this out because I'm actually into this kind of thing and I've always wanted to try it, like, you know, those pillow oils and things like that. So I'm gonna tell you guys if this works out for me in our favorites video. Next I have this little package. It's by Veda Natural Skincare and it says let your skin breathe. Whoa. Inside we have like hella samples. We're not done yet. You thought we were done. No. Oh, you thought we were done? Oh, I'm sorry, baby. We still got more. Like, ooh, we got hella samples for different things like night cream, radiance day cream, soothing day cream. Like, we got it all. Vegan friendly and also good for the environment. Exfoliating facial polish and a purifying facial wash, so I'm excited for these. We also have a lot of creams. We have this Hemp Nation Wild Berry and Lavender Cream, Aqua Boost Leave-In Conditioner Cream, Organic Color Systems Argan Oil Cream, Organic Color Systems Revive Dry Shampoo for when your hair is greasy, a Deep Conditioner by Navara Silky Beast, Power 10 Formula by It's Skin. I like these little bottles. They look expensive and that's what I'm all about. We have, oh my gosh, Soap and Glory. We've got these amazing body washes. I love Soap and Glory. And these are the flavors: Original Pink, Sugar Crush, Smoothie Star. I'll definitely be using some and definitely be giving some away. Handmade, Magic in a Bottle, Glowing Healthy Skin, Serum from Navara again. They also have a few products here from Disco. They have a eyeshadow here. The packaging though, holographic vibes. I'm here for that. Cool. Also we have this lip gloss. Oh my gosh, I need lip gloss. Pretty colour. I really like that colour. Also have another beauty blender here from Basic Beauty Tools. Also have a hand cream from that company, Hysses again. And this is in Jasmine. This company's packaging is insane. I'm in love. You know when someone wants to ask you for hand cream and you pull out this, you look like a serious candidate. You look like a serious person. Oh, it smells so good too. Last but not least, we have another pink Parcel package. I'm excited to see what's in here. Let's do a live unboxing. That was satisfying. You try not to spill everything everywhere. So you get a little exclusive gift every month. The first box says, for you, a little something to cheer you up. Let's see what's inside here. A waterproof brow gel. Cute. Handmade atmosphere mist. So for your room once again. My room was gonna be standing cute all 2018. Organic milk chocolate. I'm gonna munch that right after this video. Some more Banzi hair ties. Look how cute the packaging. And some peppermint tea. So nutritional powder, chocolate flavor powder. So maybe for your tea, for a smoothie. And this is all vegan and plant-based, which is fabulous because I'm trying to eat more plant-based and it's been helping me so much. Okay, I'm sorry, but who needs Valentine's Day when you have Pink Parcel delivering these goodies every month? I'm sorry, but bye. Like, what? Use these at bedtime. It's giving me some sandwichy towels, like, you know, the thick ones for bed. I'm sorry, but this is too cute. Like, they've literally thought of everything. I cannot. Cute. You've really got me covered, haven't you, babes? Like, you really care about me and my well-being. Thank you so much. So that's why it's a monthly thing. So you don't even need to go out to buy sandwich towel because Pink Parcel have got you every month. Wow. I'm so impressed, I'm not gonna lie. Are you kidding? This is so cute. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I've unboxed everything I can see, but I've got some amazing bits and bobs. Oh, I'm so thankful like for all these amazing bits from this SNS hamper from Social Network Solutions. Thank you guys so much. Like, I cannot deal with how many amazing things from hair, makeup, beauty, skincare, body care, creams, intimate care. Like, you guys really smashed it. Like, thank you guys so much. I'm buzzing right now. If you guys want to see any more of these videos, then make sure to like and comment below. If you enjoyed watching me unbox, this is my first unboxing, so let me know if you guys enjoyed it. So of course I'll be giving you guys some of these bits away for sure. Like, I cannot keep all of this to myself. So thank you guys so much. Remember, all of these pieces, all of these bits and bobs will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out and see more information about some of the products if you're interested. Stay tuned for an update on when I try some of these bits. I'm going to include it in like February favorites, so because I'm going to be testing them out throughout the next month. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. My voice is going and that is time for me to bounce. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.